Hello everyone and welcome to AcadGuild. In this video we'll see how to use the advanced filters in Excel, and that is the example 3. Okay, so now the complexity level I have increased, the criteria I have increased. So I have the criteria here. Let me explain the data. This data is related to employee database where you have the employee name, date of hiring, employment status, the position and the pay. Now what I want is I have some criteria here where I want the active employment status should be less than 100 and voluntary terminated should also be less than 100. Okay, this is what the criteria is. Now what I'll do is, first of all, I'll change this to numbers because they are already text. Okay, so these are now numbers here. Active less than 100, voluntary terminated should be less than 100 here. So now first of all I'll just right. Now how do I get it using advanced filter? The process would be very same, and if you have not seen the previous videos of advanced filter, I request you to go through those videos. It will be very easy for us. Now the shortcut key already we know, that is Alt AQ. Press Alt AQ. Keep the cursor in the data like this and press Alt AQ from a keyboard. Now the first thing is list range, which is the dancing ants, which is already selected. Next one is criteria range. So you have to go on the top, keep your cursor in the criteria range. Now this time you can select the criteria this way, or you can select the criteria this way. One and the same, any one method you can use. And second option is you can just select this option as copy to another location, and click on this copy to box here, and you can select any blank space wherever you want to paste the records. And I'll just simply click on OK button. Now let me properly format the data here. Now let us check whether we are getting the proper answer. So I have the employment status as active and voluntary terminated. Okay, these two status are there, and whatever records I have, both are less than 100. Okay, which is absolutely correct here. So data which I've got pasted here is 100% correct, right? So you can keep on adding different criteria in different columns here, and still you'll be keep on getting the answers at the location here. Whichever destination you select, at that destination you'll be getting the answers here, right? So I hope you have understood how to work on this advanced filters with multiple criteria, and that's all for this video.